Good morning, everyone. 5G is a new generation of cellular networks with a tremendous potential, as it's the first to use the millimeter wave spectrum in the radio access network to provide a very high capacity to mobile users. So potentially 5G is expected to increase the data rate from 1 to 20 gigabit per second and to decrease the latency from 10 to 1 millisecond. However, the first reports that we've seen in terms of commercial deployment are really not up to par with these expectations, where you can read of complaints, you can read of slow speeds, spotty coverage, and of course, this is due to the fact that these are early deployments. However, this tells us also another important things about these networks, but the end-to-end networks are particularly complex, but 5G is only a small part of such complex end-to-end networks. As you can see here, we have the 5G RAN, the core, but also we also have the whole internet that sits between the server where the content of the user sits and the smartphone that the user is using. So the quality of experience of the user really depends on the interaction between all of these elements. And in my thesis, I try to approach the design of 5G networks with keeping this into mind. So the thesis title is End-to-End Design and Evaluation of Millimeter Wave Cellular Networks. I am Michele Polese. I was a Ph.D. student at the University of Padova in Italy, and I'm now a research scientist at Northeastern University in Boston. And my thesis has been structured into three parts. So architecture to make 5G networks reliable, protocols to improve the end-to-end performance, and intelligence. So how we can insert intelligence in 5G networks. And as main results for the thesis, I can list the contribution to the development of a first open source end-to-end millimeter wave networks simulation tool, the demonstrations of the importance of multi-connectivity for 5G and millimeter wave, the proposal of some solution at the transport layer to improve the end-to-end performance, and the evaluation of practical ORAN-based approaches for the integration of intelligence in 5G networks. So if you're interested in knowing more about these open source simulation tools or my thesis, please click the link here on the video, and you'll be taken to download a copy of the full thesis. Thank you very much.